Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to our English class. And today is the second meeting. Okay, I hope everyone's are good. As this is Monday, it means yesterday you have had your holiday. Okay, so how was your holiday? Mm-hmm. Okay, everyone's so happy. You have recharged yourself, all right? Mhm. Okay, let's see. This is our discussion today. Mhm. Wait, I'd like to share the screen. All right, let's take a look. Mhm. Okay, I make it bigger. Oh, sorry, it's too big. Mhm. Right, it's enough. Okay. Uh, mhm. This is our second meeting. Okay, and right. I'd like to ask you about our this topic today. Okay. As you know, mhm, in the previous meeting, we have discussed the outline of this English course. Okay. So you know our topic today. Okay. Before we start this one, I'd like to know when was the last time you introduced yourself in English? Mhm. Please type your answer on our chat box. Right. Yes. Ah, great. I see some of you did it in high school. Yes, Radni, you did it in high school. All right. Oh, Dinos. You have this in the previous course, all right? Mm-hmm. And roughly, oh, you never did this. Okay. All right. Okay, class. So it means that we are all learning together today. Okay. All right. Mm-hmm. And here is our topic today is introducing yourself. Okay. And the objective of this is, you can see here, after this discussion, after this class, you are able to practice using appropriate English expression to introduce yourself, okay? And then present your background, strengths, and study focus clearly. And also communicate confidently in an informal and legal or academic environment, okay? Right. Oh, before this, when you see the title, okay, introducing yourself, informal and formal or professional introduction, it means that there are two types of introducing oneself. Okay, informal and formal or professional introduction. Okay, in informal context, there are some examples. Okay, in informal context, here is the first example. Okay, the tone is warm, detailed, and academic. Let's see. Mhm. Oh, this is the example. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nadia Kartika. I was born in Pekalongan and currently live in Kajen, okay, with my parents and two younger brothers. I graduated from SMA Negeri 1 Kajen, where I joined the debate club and the student council. I chose to study law because I have always been interested in issues of justice, fairness, and how legal decisions can shape society. Growing up in a family that often discussed social issues at home made me want to understand the legal system more deeply. During high school, I volunteered as part of the school mediation team to help resolve small conflicts among students. This experience taught me how important it is to listen carefully, communicate clearly, and act fairly, skills that I believe are essential for studying law. In my free time, I enjoy reading novels, watching legal dramas, and journaling. I also love photography because it helps me capture moments and express ideas creatively. In the future, I hope to become a legal researcher or a human rights advocate focusing on protecting children and women. I'm excited to learn, grow, and work with all of you throughout this semester. Thank you. This is introducing yourself in front of your friends. Okay. This is the first example, and let's take a look. The second example. All right. It's the tone is confident, friendly, and modern. Examples. Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Ardiansa, but you can call me Rizky. I live in Biradesa with my parents. I graduated from SMK Negeri 1 Pekalongan, majoring in accounting. Even though my background is from a vocational school, I chose law because I want to understand how legal regulations impact business, finance, and society. I come from a simple but supportive family. My father works as a tailor and mother is a home-based baker. They always encourage me to pursue higher education and to choose a major that can give me long-term career opportunities. I have part-time work experience helping at my uncle's shop and managing simple bookkeeping. This experience made me curious about consumer rights, business contract, and legal responsibility. My hobbies include playing futsal, listening to podcasts, especially motivating and legal topics, and learning graphic designs. I believe hobbies keep me balanced and help me develop new skills. My long term goal is to become a corporate lawyer or a legal consultant, especially in business law. I want to help small and medium enterprises understand legal procedures and grow safely. Nice to meet you all of you, and I hope we can support each other during our journey as first semester law students. Right. Remember, class, there are some examples. You can modify it. Okay. Okay. So, sorry. In a formal context, okay, or legal context, or professional introductions, such as during a court internship, a legal seminar, or a job interview, a professional self-introduction usually includes four parts. The first one is greeting, names and status, academic or legal interest, and closing statement. All right, let's take a look at some examples. The first one, the context is court internship. Okay. Someday you want to having an internship at a court. You can use this expression. Okay. Remember, you can modify it. Oh, sorry. This one. Example. Good morning, sir, or good morning, madam. Okay. My name is Alia Hairunisa, and I'm a 7-year law student at Universitas Pekalongan. I have a strong interest in criminal law and court procedure, especially how evidence is examined and how judges formulate their decisions. I'm eager to observe real courtroom practice to understand the applications of substantive and procedural law. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself. I look forward to learning from the court environment and contributing professionally during my internship. Okay, this is the first example, court intensive context. The next one is legal seminar or conference. This is the example. Good afternoon, distinguished lecturers and fellow participants. My name is Fadli Ramadan, and I'm currently a law student at Universitas Pekalongan, focusing on public and constitutional law. My primary academic interests include constitutional interpretation, administrative law, and the role of legal institutions in promoting transparency and good governance. I enjoy analyzing constitutional court decisions and studying how legal frameworks shape public policy. It is an honor to be here today. I hope to gain new insight from this seminar and engage in meaningful discussion with all of you. Thank you. Right? Okay. Oh, we have another one. Okay. A job interview. It is in a law firm or legal office. Good morning, and thank you for having me in this interview. My name is Risma Putra. I'm an 8th semester law student at Universitas Pekalongan with a growing interest in practical legal skills. I'm particularly interested in business law and contract drafting. I have been learning about the foundation of contract formation, company law, and legal writing. I hope to gain exposure to real case files and understand how legal documents are handled professionally. I appreciate the opportunity to introduce myself, and I look forward to contributing and learning from your legal team. Thank you very much. Right. Okay. So, after you see some examples, we can compare that. In a professional introduction, the introduction is short but effective. Okay. Now, before we continue, let me check your understanding. Right. Using this quiz. Mhm. What are the four parts of a professional introduction that you know? We have discussed this one. What is it? Raise your hand. Mhm. Or unmute. All right. Excellent. You still remember. Okay. Yes. Greeting, name or status, academic interest, and closing statement. The four parts of professional introduction. Right? Ah, this is our next discussion. Okay, we are going to practice. Okay, before that, is there any questions? If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, your curiosity really helps everyone learn better. Okay, so don't be shy, don't hesitate to ask anything. Okay, regarding our topic today. Right. Mhm. Okay, no questions? All right. It means it's time for us to practice. Okay, practice our introduction, our own introduction. So here is the rule. I will divide you into some break rooms. Okay, 3 students. Okay, so in each room there will be 3 students, and you can introduce yourself using the structure we learned. Right? Be clear, confident, and polite. Okay. Here is the instruction. To be clear, make sure that you should open mic in your breakout room, and then introduce yourself using 4 components. Give short feedback to each other, one positive note, one suggestion. And after this, return to the main room in 10 minutes. Okay? So 10 minutes for you to practice your introducing yourself. Okay? All right. Okay. Right. I'll divide you into some breakout room. You can join. Okay. Join in each room. Oh, you have directed to certain room. Right. Okay. Yes. This is room 2. How is your practice? Yes. Please continue speaking. All right. Yes. Good pronunciation. All right. Oh, try to speak a little slower. Hmm. That will help clarity. Okay. Yes. Keep going. Okay. Sorry. I'm visiting each room. Okay. All right. Mhm. Yes. Okay. Right. All right, class. Welcome back to the main room. After observing you in each room, here are some feedback. Okay, some feedbacks. The first one, many of you have clarity and structure. Well done. Okay. Some of you should work on confidence, sit upright, and speak slowly. And then please avoid long and unrelated details. A legal introduction must be concise. Okay? All right. Okay. Before we close, I'd like you to complete a quick 3-item quiz. You can scan this QR code. This is just to check your understanding. Okay, using Mentimeter, please scan this QR code. There are 3 questions here. The first one, what is the purpose of a professional self-introduction? Right. Okay. Yes. All right. Next. Mhm. Mention the 4 parts. Okay. The 4 parts that we have discussed. Right. Right. And the last one. Write 2 expression to show your academic interest. 2 expressions only. Okay. To show your academic interest. Okay. Thank you for your response. Right. All right, class. Well, to improve your ability in introducing yourself, I'd like to give an assignment. You should record a 5 to 10 minutes your introduction video. Okay, it will be evaluated using the following criteria. Okay. Mhm. Yes, the rubrics evaluate your introduction videos based on your language accuracy, clarity, and structure, professional tone, and overall video quality. Right. Of course, you should create your excellent one. Okay. See the criteria here. All right. Okay. Any questions about our assignment? No? It's easy. I think you have been familiar with recording on a video. Okay, so it's easy. All right, class. From today's activity, most of you already understand the structure of an introduction. Okay, a few problems we still need to improve pronunciation of legal terms and confidence in speaking. You can practice more at home, record it in a video, submit the link on our Google Classroom. Okay, the deadline is next Sunday. Sunday is holiday, right? So uh, you have times to finish this uh, video. Okay. All right. So let's summarize our session today. Yes. Uh-huh. We learn how to introduce ourselves in a professional legal context. Okay. And then we practice using clear structure and academic English. We learn how to present our academic or legal interests properly. Right. Here you are, the takeaways today. The first, sorry, our takeaway today is this. Okay, a strong introduction builds your credibility as a future legal professional. Right. Okay. So practice it, refine it, and submit it. That's our discussion today. Thank you for joining us and have a great day. See you next Monday. Right, class? Bye bye.